Office in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Whitewater to near Hebron, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source. This includes Kenosha, West Dallas, New Berlin, Greenfield, Muskego, Pleasant Prairie, Antioch, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Hales Corners, Lake Geneva, Union Grove, East Troy, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Wind Lake, Franklin, and Twin Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.